Get noticed in this 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.